What up, my people? It's another day on how to make money online with your boy State Budget. Today we will be doing a review of GainGG. This awesome app I shared with you last time that is capable of giving you passive income. All you need is a laptop, definitely an old laptop, and internet connection. That is all you need, guys. You sign into GainGG, link in the description below. When you sign in, you will see a platform like this. It will give you a dashboard like this. Daily, you can always go to earnings. You scroll down to gain, and you claim 10 coins for that day, guys. Daily, you can claim 10 coins. As it levels up this line, that is how your daily free earnings are going up. For now, soon I will be at 20. I will soon be getting 20 free coins daily. Let's go back and look at my daily earnings, guys. As I said last time, Gain.gg is a platform where you can take surveys, watch videos, and get paid. For me, what I personally do is I watch videos, and you can always use Loot TV or Hideout TV to watch your videos. I personally watch on both of them. I watch on both of them. So let's go and see how much I have gained from both Loot TV and Hideout TV for the past 1 week. Here is my Loot TV account. You can see my earnings for 1 week, 2,000 points. I will now convert these points to GainGG. Take redeem, select account, GainGG. I will have 1,230 coins, guys, in my GainGG account, which is equals to $1.02 for 1 week, guys, without doing anything. $1.02. That is for Loot TV. Take redeem. Say wow, successfully redeemed. You can continue watching. Click OK. Then let's go to my Hideout TV. As I said last time, Hideout TV doesn't pay that much. I have 700 points. Let's convert this to GainGG. Redeem. Choose GainGG. 500, which is 5 cents. Redeem. As you can see, your earnings redeemed. Continue watching. I click OK. And I continue watching the videos, guys. So for 1 week, just by leaving my laptop online, running these videos, watching these videos, I have been able to make $1.02 from Hideout TV, and on Loot TV I have made $1.02, and on Hideout TV I've been able to make 5 cents. That is $1.07. without doing anything, guys. This is awesome. This is awesome. Without doing anything, just keep it. I leave my laptop to run, just watching this video. When one video finishes, another one starts playing. It's just running. I check from time to time, and that is all, guys. Awesome site. Go back to my GainGG account. You can now see I had 16,500 coins. Now it's a 16,200. Before it was 15,500. 1,000 points is equals to $1. So as you can see, I'm having $16.02. If I want to cash out now, I can go to withdraw. I choose either I want to withdraw to PayPal, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Dogecoin. What I always like is Dogecoin, because I want to hold Dogecoin for the long term. This is the price of Dogecoin. I take redeem. I input amount I want to redeem. 16,000. Sorry. Here is the Doge address. My amount is here. 16,000. 16,000. This is the amount of Dogecoin I will get. 186 Doge. And to get the real power of these things, guys, when you redeem this in Doge, don't sell immediately. Hold the Doge for 2 to 3 years. The day the Doge coin's price will be $2, $3. Guys, this is where you will see the power of what you have been doing. This will be a lot of money. A lot of money, guys. So this site is really a good site for hustling, side hustle. It doesn't pay much, but the payment is decent, guys. And if you are good in investing, you can make good money from this site. Imagine a coin like Shiba Inu. Somebody who bought Shiba Inu 4 years ago, when it was 9 zeros, should be a millionaire today. If you bought Shiba Inu 4 years ago with $16 only, you should be having not less than 200,000 today. That is the power of investing, guys. That is the power of investing. So what I will do with this site is, when I have gained a certain amount, I will cash it out to my Binance or Get.io account, then convert that to any meme coin and hold for the long term. This is awesome, guys. This is really great. Link for GainGG in the description below. Sign up, watch videos, and see you in the next review, guys. Peace.